Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is James, and today I'm creating an app without coding at all. Imagine having a custom-built expense tracker designed exactly how you want it. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Tempo.new, and we're going to be integrating their pre-made components into the app to make it look good. Now, if you've ever struggled with tracking your income and expenses, creating detailed personal financial reports, or visualizing your spending habits, then trust me, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional expense tracker app, complete with visuals, authentication, and a secure database, all created using Tempo's AI-powered platform. In this video, we'll walk through logging into Tempo.new and setting up our project, connecting Supabase for easy authentication and database integration, generating a user-friendly expense tracker interface with dashboard, income and expense summaries, and detailed reports. We'll be using the pre-built Tempo components to enhance our app's design. And finally, we'll be deploying our fully functional app live on Vercel. Let's dive in. First things, head over to Tempo.new in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your GitHub account. Tempo integrates with GitHub, which also makes version control super easy. After logging in, click on Create Project at the top of the page. We're going to choose Vite for our framework, and we'll integrate Supabase for secure authentication and database management. Since this app will be free and accessible for everyone, we won't be setting up any payment integrations this time around. Now let's quickly connect our Supabase account. Before doing this, make sure you've created a new project in your Supabase dashboard. Give it a name, create your database password, and pick a region. Once that's done, back in Tempo, just click Connect Supabase. Follow the authentication prompts and select your Supabase project. Now your integration is all set. Here comes the exciting part, generating an app with AI. We're going to give Tempo a detailed prompt. Generate a user-friendly expense tracking app interface that includes a dashboard with income versus expense summary, category charts, time-based breakdowns, and the ability to add, edit, or delete transactions with optional recurring entries. Support for default and custom categories, and detailed reports with date filtering and category summaries. This prompt ensures that the AI knows exactly what features to include, giving us a complete expense tracker app. Tempo first generates a product requirements document, the PRD, which is an expansion of your initial prompt. You'll also get a user flow diagram showing you exactly how users will interact with your app, and a storyboard giving you a visual preview of the app. Initially, you'll see a landing page with a basic dashboard setup. It might include features that aren't exactly what you envisioned, but it's okay, we'll refine everything next. Now let's enhance our app's design using Tempo's pre-built components. We can head over to the components section of the site, or just go to reactcomponents.com. You will see that they have components and UI kits. You can search through them and find the components that you're looking to add to your app. Let's add the Airbnb style footer. You can simply prompt Tempo to integrate the Airbnb footer component, and it will integrate that into your app landing page using the AI prompt. If you do know how to code, you can expect the generated code and then prompt Tempo again with clearer instructions to make the changes or make the changes yourself. The more precise you are, the better the AI will respond. Now that you have added all the dashboard items to the app and made sure everything is working correctly, we can move on to adding another component from the Tempo component library. I'm going to add an awesome moving gradient background to our login and sign up pages. Head to the components section in Tempo again and find the moving gradient background. This time we're going to copy the provided code and then prompt Tempo's AI to integrate this exact code into our login and sign up page. Tempo's AI will be able to review the code and then add this to the page, giving it a dynamic gradient background that makes the app look much better. If you've seen my other videos and apps I create, you know how much I love adding moving gradients to my apps. With our components integrated, you need to thoroughly test your app to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Login, expense tracking, reports, and visuals. The iterative process of prompting and testing is really important in getting exactly what you want. You're often not going to get the perfect app from just one prompt. You're going to have to continually prompt and test to get the app exactly how you want it. Now we're ready to launch. Tempo makes deployment really easy. Simply click on the share button and then choose Vercel, and then claim your site from the link that's provided. And that's it. Your expense tracker app is live and accessible to everyone from its own URL. You can check out my app from the link in the description. Let's quickly recap what we've achieved. A homepage with a professional Airbnb footer, a visually engaging login page with dynamic moving background, a dashboard for tracking income, expense, and generating personal financial reports, and secure authentication and persistent data storage via Supabase. The best part of all of this is the entire app was built in just a few hours using Tempo's AI tool without needing deep coding knowledge. If you are excited to build your own apps, start using Tempo today. Click on the link in the description to sign up for free. If you have any questions or need help, you can join my Discord community. There is a link in the description as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more videos just like this. And I will see you in the next one.